Oh, hey you guys, back out again with another video, and today I'm going to be making slime again, but this time it's not just a normal slime, it's called fluffy slime. So I'm really excited for this, because I've never really made fluffy slime, but today me and my mom went to Walmart to get shaving cream for fluffy slime. So you're supposed to add shaving cream for fluffy slime, and I didn't know that. But apparently shaving cream makes it fluffy. So here I have detergent, the Tide detergent, and I have glue, a little bit of glue left in this bottle, and then I have shaving cream. So let's just get right into the video. So first we're going to open up the glue and pour it in. And the reason I thought fluffy slime would be really cool to make, because supposedly fluffy slime is supposed to be like thick and like really like big. So I wanted to make it, and I saw other people make it, like DIY and stuff like that. So I wanted to do it really bad after I saw all those videos today. And my mom had to go to Walmart anyways to get dinner. What we're gonna eat for dinner, so I'm trying to get all of it. Okay, so I think I poured in enough. And you're not supposed to add too much shaving cream, because if you do, then it's not really gonna work correctly. So I'm gonna add a little bit of shaving cream. So I added that much shaving cream in there. And I'm just gonna mix it up with, I'm gonna mix it up with a color pencil, because I can't find anything else to mix it up with, so I'm just gonna mix it up with this. This is really fun to mix. Okay, so now that I have it mixed up a lot, I'm gonna go ahead and add the detergent. But I'm thinking about adding more shaving cream, because it's not really that fluffy yet. So I'm gonna add a little bit more shaving cream, because I do want really fluffy slime. So I'm adding a lot of shaving cream. Okay, so now that I have a lot of shaving cream added, I'm gonna go ahead and add this, like a little bit of Tide detergent to just make it all come together better. Look at that. So now it's all coming together. But I'm gonna keep adding more until like all of it comes together. Oops. And I'm adding quite a bit of this, because obviously you need it to make it all come together. Okay, so I'm gonna keep mixing this until it actually comes into like slime. So I will be right back, you guys. Okay, so now that it's become like a really, really big blob, I think now all I have to do is like knead it. So like it'll like become like good slime. But it is really fluffy. I'm surprised how fluffy it is. It's kind of messy though. But I guess all you have to do is just like knead it to make it better, I guess. So I'm just like stretching it out and stuff so that it'll become a better slime, because right now, if you don't know what kneading means, it means like make sure all of the ingredients and stuff come into it and that they're all the way in it to like make it better. So now you can see that it's becoming really, really nice. Yeah, this is really, really fluffy. So this is the slime. And I'm going to go ahead and clean up. Okay, so now that I've cleaned up a little bit, no, say hi to the camera. You guys want to see something cool? Okay, sit. Sit. Give me paw. Good boy. Give me paw. Give me paw. You see that, guys? That's why I love my little doggy. I love you, Nono. I love you. Okay, but this is this fluffy slime. It's really, really fun to play with when like you're bored and stuff. You could put it into a balloon and make it like as a stress ball. But I'm just gonna keep it out of a balloon because I like it like this. So I think that this is really, really cool, and I really like this slime. So yeah, you guys, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, because I will make more videos if you subscribe. And thank you guys so much for 9 subscribers. I just checked all my subscribers and I have finally 9 subscribers, so I'm really happy. And if we can, one more subscriber, tell your friends about me and just tell them to subscribe so I can have 10 subscribers. Is that too much to ask for? Because 10 subscribers is actually double-digit subscribers. And I'll be really, really happy when I have 10 subscribers. So shout out to you, Lily. She's my best friend at school, and I just wanted to give her a shout out because like she was saying that she liked my videos and stuff. She was giving me little tips about how can I make like better videos and things like that. So shout out to you, Lily, and I hope you're having a good weekend. So bye, guys.